How were your students engaged?
So they were very motivated. They were excited about all the tasks, and they did it without complaints. And kids and teenagers not complaining, I mean, we all know that that's very nice. They participated all the time, and they showed a lot of interest. So it was good.
Perfect. And so how did it manifest itself?
So we could see it in three things. The first thing was in the daily conversations and direct observation. We as teachers, when we are in a class, we know when something is working and when it's not. When you do an activity, you can very easily see if it's engaging your students or if they are enjoying it. And when we were doing the project and all the tasks, that could be seen. We saw it in the classes. Then we saw it as well in the transcripts, because all the videos and the video conference we did transcripts. We did this because we did it for research purposes. And in fact, I did my master's on this. I analyzed how students were engaged and how they communicated one with each other. And we saw that the results were positive. Students were engaged with the task and they used strategies to learn and to apply the language. And the third one was maybe the one that was more direct with the questionnaires. We directly asked them, did you like it? Did you enjoy it? In fact, there we have on the left side, we have some of the data that we collected from one of the questions. We directly asked them, did you enjoy being part of this project? And as you can see, on blue, we have the answer of the French students, and in brown, the one of the Spanish ones. They really enjoy being part of this project. In addition, we asked them questions like, which was your favorite part of the project? And they highlighted the videos and the conversations. So they really enjoy the process of interacting with other people. And yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And how was this different to a regular class?
So it was I would highlight two aspects. The first one, it was different from a normal class because they had to use English all the time. And for example, in the video conference, when you're doing an activity in class, if you're preparing a role play or if you're doing an activity, students need to use English. But sometimes if they don't know how to do it or how to continue, they just change from one language to another. And they very easily tend to go to their mother tongue, which is normal. But in this case, in this project, in the activities that they had to do, they had no chance to do that. They had to use English as they could. And this was very motivating for them because they had to find a way to communicate. And that created a real situation because we prepared them, but in this case, we were giving them a real situation in which they had to interact. And on top of that, they were meeting new people that were from a similar age and that they didn't know before. And they are always excited to meet new people.